As advised by the Ministry of Home Affairs, mock drill is being performed in all the areas of Madhya Pradesh, specifically in Bhopal. You can see there's a mock drill performed in the police line in Bhopal, in between all the NDRF and SDRF present here. As you can see, there was a fire here, as it is been known that after airstrike there is fire. As you can see, there was fire, and after that you can see there is MP Police's fire brigade, which is putting the water on the fire, and they are telling people that how to deal with the situation whenever these situations happen. As you can see, NDRF and SDRF is present here, and this is the mock drill because the siren was raised, and you can see that here comes the NDRF and SDRF team. You can see there's a person lying there, and now they are telling that how should they rescue a person, whether it is the NDRF and SDRF team, whether it is another team. Here comes the ambulance. This is the part of the mock drill because there are three parts of the mock drill. First, to control the situation, the fire, and secondly, the ambulances come. You can see there is the NDRF, SDRF team taking the person, and now the person will be lifted and he will be taken to the ambulance. Also, the temporary hospitals are being installed at various points of Bhopal itself. You can see now the team is carrying the person who is lying here into the hospital. This is all the part of a mock drill, and now the person will be taken to the hospital. Apart from that, if the NDRF, SDRF team is not present at the situation point, at anywhere else, they are also telling that how should person be dealing with the people who are injured. They should give the CPR, they should give all the necessary things which should be given to a person who is injured. Now the ambulance will move from here, and the doctors will be present inside the ambulance, which shows that there are certain points that first there is a fire, first there is an airstrike. After that, if the person is injured, the ambulances will be coming. The NDRF and SDRF team will be helping. The second ambulance has come, you can see, because there's a person lying at that point also. And this is a part of the drill that all the teams like the police, NDRF, SDRF, army, the doctors team, the team of the district administration, all are helping out each other to control this situation. Now, because the police is practicing for the mock drill, which will be happening today in the evening, the siren will be blown out, the siren will be played out, and after that the people will perform a blackout. There will be a blackout for some timing, around 10 to 15 minutes, which will show that how the person will be dealing to the situation. Now it has been advised by the Ministry of Home Affairs that all the people, all the Indian citizens should participate in the mock drill, in the blackout, and when the siren will be blown by the police and the district administration, everyone should be present in the mock drill. They should perform in the mock drill so that as a citizen everyone is safe, and also it is our responsibility as Indian citizens to keep ourselves safe and participate in these type of things. With camera person Amrish from Bhopal, Amritanshi Joshi for India Today.